Kũringana na munini wa mũrũgamĩrĩri wa arangĩri a Rũnyanjara rwa Maasai Mara Dickson Olekeiwa, Rũnyanjara rũrũ hĩndĩ ya thaa ya ngati kuma Rũnyanjara-inĩ rwa Serengeti, agendi nĩ mongererekete magĩtanywo kuongerereka ona makĩria kĩmera-inĩ tũrĩ kĩa ũgendi kĩrĩa gĩkirie gũkinya gacũmbĩrĩ.
This year we have received the guests we have never received for the last 20 years. Because of the work of the governor, he done a lot, especially infrastructure, marketing, and uplifting the life of people, especially those who work in the park and the county in general.
Arauga kuma gavana Ndutu athondeke mawatho merũ Rũnyanjara-inĩ rũrũ wa gũthondeka mabarabara ũndũ ũmwe na kuongerera maabitha kũgitĩra nyamũ ici, maũndũ mathiĩte metirĩte na kũrĩ na mwĩhoko wa kwamũkĩra agendi aingĩ makĩria.
This is the first time Narok County have enjoyed whatever they get from tourism, whatever they get from income from the reserve. All of us, we are getting what we needed. And I'm urging the surrounding community, because I'm also in charge of community, liaising community warden. I'm urging them to join us and help us to uplift, to conserve, and to protect this reserve.
Now the county government has been extremely active. They've maintained the roads. They're also very much backing up sustainability laws. They're making sure that animals are well protected. Now we have cameras in the park, so the guides are also maintaining their discipline. We don't have littering in the park. And we also have respect for the animal space, especially during the migration. It was really good to see the difference.
Makĩria hĩndĩ ya igongona rĩa kũharĩria keki ya kilo 100 ĩrĩa ĩgũthondekwo na kũhũthĩrwo nĩ ageni hĩndĩ ya mambura ma Christmas, Jane augĩte igongona rĩrĩ nĩ rĩtũmaga agendi aingĩ mohoke, kuona nĩ rĩkoragwo rĩrĩ rĩa mwanya kũrĩ ageni, kuona nĩ rĩa kũmanyitithania.
Today we held our 2025 cake mixing ceremony, and the ceremony is quite important to usher in festive season, and everybody's participation makes us bond together and makes us have a really great time to be able to bond.
Agendi maugĩte nĩ makenete nĩ gũkinya Mara, kuona nĩ kũndũ kũmakenetie, nĩ kuona nyamũ iria matarĩ mona.
We have had an excellent time. As the gentleman says, we have seen elephants, lions, leopard, cheetahs, everything, and a lot more actually. We have been everywhere. It's been fantastic. The hotel staff and everybody around. We also went to the Maasai village. Was very much impressed with the history, and we are more knowledgeable than before. How the society works and what it is all about.
Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Narok, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanyuike wa Mbũgua.